Hello, I'm Thomas, showing you another recipe usage with the Alterna OneCup slash a OneCup jar or adapter jar, widemouth Mason Jar Adapter. We're using a, where did I put it? Where's my jar? My jar! There it is. You can either use this lid. If you don't have anything hot to store in it, that's ideal. Those are, Walmart has them plentifully. Everybody has a widemouth mason jar. You can use a bigger one too. Don't go bigger than 24 ounces because you don't want to be top heavy on top of a blender on top of this. So this is good. This is a 16-ounce widemouth jar. And let me just show you a really cool smoothie. You don't put the ingredients in here directly. You always put them in here, and by the way, if it doesn't blend up to your likings, not smooth enough, you can take it off and shake it. You turn the blender off first, and then you shake it until it has the consistency that you like. So anyways, I'm making an apple pear mousse, not the mousse, you know, like the elk mousse. I don't know what. I don't even know what noise they make. I'm not much of a hunter. The pear, so I put some apple in here. You can overfill it a little bit. Oh, and then also don't forget lemon. The lemon is going to help you keep it a little nicely fresh and doesn't, you know, apples after a while they turn brown. So let's see here, another. I think that ought to do it. So now you take this, the adapter slash OneCup jar. Make sure that you got your lid, your gasket in here. You see that? And let's see, no liquid needed. Oh, you know what? Never mind. Stupid fly, go away. I want some sugar. This is not regular sugar. This is a very healthy sugar. Only my wife knows what this is called. But this is some really, really healthy stuff. Expensive. That's why I'm using a lot. If you want to know what that is, it's not powdered sugar. It's, dang it, I don't know. My wife calls it. I can tell you that later. You can give me a call. Hey Thomas, what's this sugar? Where do you get it? Healthy stuff. We're into health, I guess. Flies. Oh, this is totally wrong lid. You saw that? So, what do I need next? Oh, I want, the almonds. No, not yet. So you take the adapter. You want to blend it on the Blendtec blender. So make sure you got that right. And screw that on. Don't over tighten it, but just, you know, it doesn't loosen by itself. Okay, now, you see that? It comes down there, and you may have to turn it off and then shake it a little bit. So I hope you'll see that. I always like the slide. I really highly recommend you never take it off while the blender still blends, because you're gonna damage this here, possibly even the gear piece here in the blender. And I think I may have made a mistake. I've never made a mousse with, you may want to cut those apples a little smaller. Why don't I do that? Because that, well, I'm making a mess now. Can you tell that I have a lot of experience with this? I don't. I'm still learning myself. I think I just need to have a little bit more faith in my own product. And in time I will. 5 years from now, I'll look back at this stupid video here. Did you hear me say stupid video? So, okay. So if you want it smoother than this, you can do this here and then put it back on here. Or slow it down. Anyways, cool. So now you turn it back down where the mason jar is on the bottom. Don't get confused with this stuff. Now because the apples and the pears were so big, you're not gonna have this full all the way. Obviously. I tightened it a little bit too much. So, and now, oh wow, this is delicious. Ma, it's like, I don't know, I have to try this. Right in front of my of the camera so you can see my reaction, like either, or, I wish I was a baby. Wow. So you can take out the gasket and anyway, so this is, if you don't want to waste anything, there's a spatula you can use. I don't have a specific spatula. Just make sure it's not on the blender so you don't accidentally turn it on and whatever. Never, by the way, never put this on here like without the lid. Somehow you turn it on by accident and you get your fingers in there. I'm not responsible. It's because you were not reading the do's and don'ts, right? So what I'm saying is, when you're done, turn off the blender. Don't put it ever on here like this open because it doesn't come with a lid. The mason jar that you have, presumably, that is going to be the lid. Never blend in this by itself without a lid. The only lid is the mason jar. Anyways, I'm looking at you like this. I don't even see you because without my glasses I'm all blurred up. So anyways, okay. Put the lid on it, refrigerate it. Even though that this is cold, the fridge, the apple, pear and everything came from the fridge, so it is cool. You refrigerate it, obviously it will last longer, and then you can give this to your baby food. I'm not gonna throw this away now, obviously, because I'm gonna eat that tomorrow for my breakfast. And that's it. I'm sure there is a lot more to say about that. Sorry that you're seeing my imperfections, but that ought to add as a credit to me and to the product, because you can see the honest truth behind it. That's what I mean. Nobody can be that stupid to fake this much, like me, right? Anywho, thanks for watching. Thanks for your comments. Be gentle and buy a whole ton of jars for me. Thanks. Bye.